Previously on Kralow Trading Show.
Real money trading is coming up very soon. You're gonna have to analyze one crypto. Go. A false break here. This is very good. This is what I did want you to find. Excited for some adrenaline.
Thomas is a madman. He was driving like a maniac. I thought he was trying to kill us or something.
We can close our eyes.
Welcome to Kralow Trading Show Season 1, the first ever trading reality show. New episode every Sunday. 5 randomly selected participants from all over the world. A 2-week, all expenses paid luxury trip to Dubai. Fast cars, yachts, helicopters, and of course, intensive learning and live trading together with the best trading coach in the world, Thomas Kralow. Tensions between the participants are high and drama is unavoidable. Who is going to win the grand prize? And who is going to leave Dubai with nothing? Now, finally, participants are ready and the real money trading is about to begin. Remember to place your bets down in the comments. Who do you think will make the most profit? And who is going to lose everything? Let's get back to the trading floor and find out.
All right, good morning everyone. Day number 8 of Kralow Trading Show. A very important day and a very important beginning of this episode is us funding the accounts with Bybit. We're gonna be funding the accounts with $400 and something thousand. So together with the bonus from the Rewards Hub, we'll have each single one of you will have precisely $5,000. So in total, that's gonna be $25,000. And hopefully it's gonna be a worthy investment in the coming week. I feel good about it, so I'm pretty sure that we're gonna do just fine. But it's important for us to talk about risk and money management. So obviously you already know all the basic risk and money management, but I just wanted to mention the risk and money management when it comes to our trading. Usually you shouldn't risk more than 1% per trade in the first day. Let's start with 0.5% risk, and then we'll see how you perform. If everything is going well and you're feeling comfortable, you're in tune with the platform and with the markets, then we're gonna increase it to 1%. And then we'll see how that progresses. If everything is gonna be super amazing, then we will revisit this and maybe we'll increase the risks just to maximize our profits for a short-term gains. It's important that we're gonna follow my core rule that has made me a lot of money in my life and actually prevented me from losing a lot of money. And that is going to be the 3 losses rule, which means that if you start trading on any given day and you make 3 consecutive losses, you raise your hand and you say, Thomas, I effed it up and I'm done for the day. So it's not about 3 losses during the day. You can have 20 losses during the day if that's what it comes down to, that's fine. But 3 consecutive losses in the row. And this is also something that should give you some kind of discipline, so you don't overtrade and you only take the best opportunities, because you will know that if you're gonna get kicked out 3 times, you're done for the day. And basically, if you are kicked out, then you can just keep paper trading, demo trading, or you can go enjoy Dubai. Whatever it is that you wanna do, you can do. So I want you to
Trade with Bybit. $4,100 deposit bonus and 30% discount on fees. Claim the bonus using our exclusive link down in the description.
swing trades, hold them for 3 weeks. So this is something that we have to really focus on within the time frame that we actually have. And also important to remember that whenever you're going to be trading some kind of a currency, always pay attention to what is going on with Bitcoin. Oftentimes when I did trade stocks, I would always pay attention to SPY or just basically S&P 500, which would be the general trend giver overall to the stock market. So the same thing goes for Bitcoin when you're trading, I don't know, Cardano, Mana, or whatever it is that you're trading. Always make sure to understand where are the most important key market levels in Bitcoin, because it's gonna be the general trend giver. And also remember that S&P 500 actually affects Bitcoin. This is a very interesting on-chain metric that we haven't looked at. It's a very simple one, but it gives a very good understanding and helps us actually oftentimes find the bottom for Bitcoin. For example, as we are going up, a lot of big boys might be actually taking some profits in this region, and we'll see a lot of green because this is where a lot of profits are being taken. Now, when, for example, it's going down, a lot of, as we call them, hamsters who entered at an all-time high are going to be selling it at a loss. So this is going to show up here as the number of trades and the volume that was sold at an actual loss. Usually, the spikes are signalizing the area of potential bottom, so to speak. So, and for example, here, another spike, we just didn't go lower than this area. Then we consolidated, some losses taken, then the last capitulation happened here, which was the ultimate bottom. Now, finally, time for me to send you the money. All the accounts have been set up using my referral link, which can also be found in the description of the video, to claim extra bonuses up to $4,100 for your trading. And now it's time for us to get acquainted, because literally why I love Bybit so much is because it takes literally like 20 seconds to open an account and get into action, into trading. No stupid KYC, no months and months of waiting to open a trading account. So, and also, you know, if you're from one of those countries which doesn't allow any of these sorts of platforms, then you can easily go to NordVPN. There's also a link down in the description of this video for a 73% discount on NordVPN. And yeah, so get yourself NordVPN and access Bybit or any other crypto platform from anywhere in the world.
Started with trading finally.
Thomas sent us money. He sent us $5,000 US. He was like, go ahead and start trading.
All right, did everybody get the money? Yeah! Everybody is ready to trade? Yeah! Everybody ready to make some money? Yeah! Yanis missed the trade.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, congratulations, Yanis.
Welcome to the party. Yeah.
Second strike.
Just the first day, we have the whole week ahead of us. It's just great to see that my technical analysis is working. I would be able to take a nice profit, but it is what it is. It was frustrating for me personally because I missed two very great trades, but due to technical issues, due to internet issues, I could not fulfill my trades. But nevertheless, I opened one trade which ended up as a loss. The trade itself was great, but it just didn't play out. My level started to float at the beginning and there was a breakout and...
Actually, I managed to open one trade. I lost two potential trades, which would be a profit. I was too slow because we're still getting used to that Bybit app. It takes time to set like entry price, stop loss, take profit. The amount of leverage and everything takes a lot of time, and when you set everything up, you look back at the chart, the price is gone. And this is how you lose or miss opportunity to make potential money. So it is what it is.
An interesting situation. So basically we had a bunch of attempts for some trades, especially Yanis had the most attempts, but he missed a few trades that would have been a plus. And then the last one that he took was a small minus. Then the same thing happened to David. He missed the one that would have been a nice profit, and the one he took ended up being a small minus. Then Oliver did a minus. Carolina missed two trades. And those would have been a plus or a minus? Would have been a plus? So basically we are missing all profitable trades, and so far we are taking losing trades. So, but, and then Angelina is still analyzing. So good job, Angelina, you're still analyzing. Okay, so I just feel that, you know, tensions are super high, because otherwise we would have made a profit if you guys didn't miss the trades. So I think that the tensions are really high. We just had some lunch, and I wanted to offer just to take a quick break, because, you know, always this transition from talking to real money trading is very nervous, because, you know, when we're looking at the charts from the past market, what happened, it's always easy to talk, but when you actually have to analyze it, you guys are already analyzing the market fine. It's just that when it comes to the execution, there is internet, then the order placement, the limit order, market order, where is the stop loss, where is the take profit, and then you end up missing trades. So it's all just coming from the tension. So I want to do a quick break. We'll go somewhere. We just organized it real fast for us to release the tension. It's gonna be aimed at releasing tension real quick, and then we're gonna be back at the floor trading for a few more hours and till late evening, hopefully, so we can get more experience today. And then tomorrow I want to do something else as well, just to spice up things. So actually move along as a team. And so far, just fine start, just you gotta relax and focus on executing the right trades. So you're doing just fine, you're just missing trades because of how anxious you are in terms of, you know, getting into real money trading and actually executing trades. So yeah, let's go, relax a little bit, release the tension, and reconvene back at the trading floor, as Clarkson would say, back at the studio.
Become a full-time student of Thomas Kralow, certified and accredited 5 months long trading education. Use promo code 20OFF at thomaskralow.com. See you at the lessons.
Alright, so we're here at Dubai shooting range. Trading wasn't going that well today. Guys were missing some trades, and because of their frustration and the fact that they're actually trading with money. So I think that it's the best way to recharge your batteries in terms of, you know, letting go of stress is actually shooting at the shooting range. So we have 2-barrel shotguns that we're gonna be using for clay shooting right here, which is gonna be the best stress release ever. And tomorrow their shoulders are gonna hurt as well. So hopefully that's gonna help them to actually alleviate that stress a little bit. So after this, we're gonna be going back to the trading floor and trading some more. So let's go do some shooting finally.
You're gonna be first? I'm going first because I'm so excited. Like, what? I'm shooting. I never touched a gun before. I seen a gun in real, but I never touched it. I was like, ah. But yeah, I'm gonna touch it this time.
Yeah, please come here, sir. I will show you how to hold a gun. Come here, madam.
This is huge.
All of you right-handed or left-handed?
Right, middle-handed.
Then you have to stand like that, okay? Always keep your body weight on the left leg and lean forward. Make sure when you hold gun, finger off the trigger. Put 2 cartridge. When you close gun, close up in the air and safe direction always. Fix shoulder pocket, level of the shoulder. Hold gun here. When you're ready, you say pull. When I release target, just follow the target and click the trigger quickly.
But how powerful is this?
Not too much. Not too much.
I got it?
Yeah, of course, no?
Wow! I got it, guys!
Move.
Slap it, man, my face though. I don't like that. I don't like to get slapped and thing. I don't like that. I'm out.
So we held up this big gun and we just shot like a clay that was like was pitched up in the air, and we just shot it. So that was fun. The power of it like was hitting me in my face. I'm like, nothing hits me in my face. No one hits me in my face. Like, I'm not going to tolerate that in no occasions, you know? So that's why I was like, no, I'm done. Then the man, he was like, no, you don't have to hold it by your face. You can hold it to your chest here. My chest is stronger. So yeah, I did it there, and that was fun.
Okay, Yanis, come on, let's do it.
This was amazing. Such a stress relief.
Well, it is time for me to do it. Last but not least, hopefully I can get some scores as well. Yanis so far has the best score. So, what is the number I need to beat?
12.
16.
12?
16.
16?
16.
Okay, so I need to beat 12. I don't know, guys. I have no idea. I mean, I shot before, but let's see what happens.
That was great fun. I really enjoyed it. I almost got Thomas. I was 3 precise shots behind Thomas, but you know, it was great fun. I really enjoyed it.
I did pretty good. I mean, I was shooting for the first time. I managed to shoot 11 out of 25, which gave me a 3rd place. So Yanis was in front of me for 1 clay. So good job, Yanis.
Was like funny and was a bit like tough. The first time that I was holding a gun, I said, "Fucking hell, it's heavy." And then like I put like my shoulders and like the impact of the shooting, you know, I was not expecting that. And then like as soon as like I put the trigger, like I was like holding back, and yeah, it was funny.
It was my first time shooting guns as well. First couple hits I got hit in my face. Then,
yeah, I had that a couple of times.
like, during the evening my jaw was a bit sore, but otherwise it was fun. I lost all my thinking about trading, so I was like completely out of this trading world.
Okay, so on this note, did you guys feel the release?
Yeah.
So you ready to go to the trading floor
Yeah.
and continue trying to make some money or lose some money?
Make.
All right, on this note, back to the studio, back to the trading floor. Let's go. See ya.
Free registration for Season 2 is open. Visit KralowTradingShow.com and enter for a chance to become the next participant of Kralow Trading Show.
Analyzing the market again, we lost some opportunities. I lost that one. That was a good squeeze. And then I could like trade it here. I didn't, and then I lost that one as well.
Just before we left, I canceled my trade, which would lead to a profit of $100. I would have taken my profit at 52.
Another one. And another one. And another one.
I set the price and I waited because it went down and I didn't click it.
So David saw an entry again and he actually set it out, but he didn't click it. And we would have made a profit today. It would have been the first profit of the day. Psychology. This is nothing but psychology. See, that's we crushed the Rolex for no reason. So, what a tough day. The first day of money trading has been really tough. The star of the day is Yanis. Yanis did the best today. Good job, man. How many trades did you miss that would have been a take profit? 2 trades. So 2 trades he missed that would have been a take profit, and then he just finished his day with the 3rd loss. So Yanis for the day, minus 100 USDT, and Yanis is done. Congratulations on the great success. David, minus 16 bucks. Okay, that's not too bad. Carolina?
I lost a couple of like entries that could be like potentially profitable.
I missed 3, so it was a bit sad. Then I took 1 loss before lunch and then managed to take 1 very little profit in the evening.
And Angelina?
I didn't find any good trades, so I didn't take any.
Okay, so
From the best.
So the winner of today, well, so far we're gonna still trade a little bit. Yeah, is Angelina and Carolina. It's a big example of trading psychology, so that's absolutely fine. That's just the first day. I know that you guys were stressed out. We're gonna still trade for a little bit, and then tomorrow is gonna be a new day. Support us down in the comments, write us some good words so that guys and girls can actually get motivated, and tell them that they can actually do it. Leave the comments down right now. Alright, so good morning everyone. Welcome to day number 9 of Kralow Trading Show. It's been an incredible 8 days. And yesterday we started money trading with not really that very much luck. Missed a bunch of trades, took a few losing ones. Then the last one was the one that didn't get filmed. It was Oliver's really good trade on Gala. Then we actually managed the risk and got stopped out with a small profit, but nonetheless it was a first profit, but a small one. So small congratulations, small first profit. It was late in the evening, so the cameramen were already resting and sleeping, so we were stuck here for quite a while. Now, about this day number 9. I really want to push you guys to the limits today and completely push you out of your comfort zones. And what we're gonna do today has really never been done in the world ever before. And you guys will probably think like, what the hell is Thomas thinking? But at the same time, it's gonna really, show how you can perform in ridiculous conditions under immense pressure and just, something incredible. And for this reason, we are wearing national dresses and we're gonna be going somewhere right now. It's gonna be about an hour drive and we're gonna be doing trading in very extreme conditions today. Take your notebooks, take all your stuff, and let's get going.
Literally no clue what the hell we're gonna do, but I mean, I'm all for it.
Yalla, I don't know. Zero expectations, but I'm looking forward to it.
A little bit nervous. We'll see.
Yalla. Alright, so here we are in the middle of nowhere yet again, the craziest trading challenge ever seen in the world in general. Nobody has ever attempted to come out into the desert with 2 golden cars, take out some chairs and laptops and start trading in the middle of nowhere. So this is the 2 days challenge for us to try, do our best to make some money in the desert using nothing but some simple camping seats, a gasoline generator right here, and 5 laptops. So let's gear up and let's get ready for the craziest trading challenge ever seen in the world. So hit the like button right now.
I like it.
Crazy. Like it?
Yes.
Good idea, huh?
Yes, it's great.
So this is gonna be your office.
This is mental. Perfect. This is a proper office.
We find out that we are like trading in the desert, so everyone we're looking at each other like how we're going to do that.
They actually brought laptops and the generator for the power, and I was like, okay, this is next level.
They told us, go sit there and start trading with real money. So it's like a challenge for you guys to make sure how you trade in difficult situations.
I don't know what to say. It's how did they came up with the idea? I don't know.
So we are here. The rules are very simple: to survive. And the point of this whole thing is to actually push traders out of their comfort zone, completely out. There is heat, there is wind, there is sand, there is sun that you cannot see what's going on in the screen. You have terrible internet and it's hot. It's really hot because this is the Dubai desert, baby. So right now, for their job is to actually try and do something good in the charts and maybe even make some money, so that later on, when we go back to the trading floor, they're gonna actually appreciate good screens, nice lighting, good chill environment. And this is the point of pushing them out of their comfort zone right now. So whoever stays the longest and actually does something good is gonna get a real nice surprise coming from Thomas Kralow in just a couple of hours. So leave your bets down below whether we're gonna be able to do anything here or this is just purely stupid and ridiculous as always from Thomas Kralow. So let me know down in the comments, and don't forget to like the video, because this, ladies and gentlemen, has never been seen online ever before. Are you guys ready?
Yeah!
To make some money? Yeah! All right. right, let's do it then.
Put your trading skills to a test. Free registration is open for a huge Thomas Kralow online trading competition over on Bybit. $50,000 prize pool. The winner also wins a seat at Season 2. Link down in the description.
The trading part was really tricky. I mean, the laptop screens were like around 13 inches and the sun was so bright we literally had to squeeze our eyes and really glue to the monitor to actually see what the hell is happening in the markets.
I opened the short.
We have the first trade of the day, short on Gala USDT right here. Oliver, the first one to get into a trade, barely seeing what's going on in the charts, but nonetheless, this is the point of this challenge. So,
Took a profit.
first profit from David. So, in this environment, guys are doing much better. They're actually taking the trade so they can actually get out of here.
So
where is it?
I made a $35 profit.
Can't say anything. I cannot say anything. All right, good job. Good job. Congratulations. The second profit of Kralow trading floor. So this is awesome. And Oliver, how's your trade going?
Not so good.
Not so good? All right. So we have one profit, one trade and one profit already. Freaking awesome. I mean, it's super hot. And since David made the first profit, he deserves a tiny prize right now, which is on the way right there.
Thank you.
I got stopped out.
I got stopped out as well.
We have one more profit that just came in. Guess what? It's from Carolina. Yay!
No losses.
No losses.
No
A
losses.
profit from Carolina, so a very nice entry. Real nice risk and money management and really nice impulse right after the entry. So some volume. It's really, really beautiful. So far, 2 profits, 2 losses, and overall into profit again because of a proper risk and money management. Don't touch the car.
Just remember, they can be aggressive. I can be too.
The camels actually came to greet us.
In
Let's go, boys, do some good profit.
Yeah, in our
It was fun.
trading office in the desert, they came to visit us and it was just amazing. There were so freaking many of them. One actually managed to take a really nice dump in front of the trading office, but they were friendly. They were mostly scared of us. We were
But they came really close.
Yeah.
The camel, I was trading and there was a camel right next to me and I tried to turn around and the camel head was like here. I was like, oh shit. She really came close.
They start to approach us, like come close, and I start to freaking out, and then I move because I was really like freaking out, like I don't know, we don't know like what's going to happen, you know. And then I was kind of start to escaping from one, and then another like just came across to the other one. I said, like I was so scared, you know.
I enjoyed it. I was like, friends, hi, thanks for visiting me. I love you guys. It was fun. I got excited when I saw the camels, you know, like, oh my God, I'm in Dubai, I am in the desert, camels are everywhere. We live in this life, you know?
Yeah, I enjoyed them too, yeah. But like disturbed us because we wanted to trade
Yeah,
and focus on the charts, but otherwise, yeah, it was all good.
We just got the cameras going and Angelina is running back. I was gonna give you a strike for not participating. Where are you? What are you doing?
Oh, I apologize. I get so excited with the camels and...
Okay, well, back to work. All right, so keep up the good work. I'm gonna leave you guys with the crew, and we're gonna be going to get some food and also bring you guys a very special surprise, which is gonna be again for those for the one who's gonna do the best today. So we're gonna be bringing it back right now. All right, so best of luck. We're gonna get going.
Waiting, sweating and waiting.
We're having a consolidation, so it's risky to open any trade right now.
Same situation.
Same old, same old.
I'm waiting for a successful break, and then I am in a trade, my first trade.
How to make millions of dollars from courses. Please visit executivemargin.ae to learn how.
Oh, so fucking close. Yep,
How much are in the profit?
100 right now.
Okay.
This is my take profit, and this is the current price. I almost took it right here. So now we are fighting the level. I mean, now we are fighting with the candle. It was so close. A little bit more. Come on. Come on.
It's really close.
0.0002 more. Yeah. That's less than 1 cent. 0.0001. And I took a fucking profit. Woo! For $112 USD. Well, I was waiting to take that profit, which was tiny amount away from it, and it actually took quite a while to take it. So after he took it, I was like, fuck yeah, this is it. Finally, first good take profit for me, and I think we all was so happy. I mean,
We making dollars.
we're making dollars, mate.
Good job, man. That's cool. So perhaps we visit the desert tomorrow as well?
I just did a quantum leap, and I am on the beach, and I am trading crypto because I'm a crypto billionaire.
I like the challenge, of it, Although it's difficult, I see it as simple.
Well, in my opinion about Angelina, I think everything is bullshit about her. She's totally a different person in front of the camera, because we all know how she acts when she's alone, and what she's doing while we're trading. And she's not into trading. I mean, everything she says is like, it's just bullshit. I don't know. When we were trading, he was like on her phone, doing other things, going live on Instagram and stuff like this. I mean, it's not fair to Thomas. I mean, he really gave us a nice opportunity to learn a lot from him.
Angeline didn't participate in our group, in a sense. She says that she's the most motivated, that she loves to learn trading the most, but in reality she understands the least.
I mean, it's hard to understand these things even for me, and I'm trying my best, but the fact that she's not trying to understand, because she keeps doing other things. I mean, other things are more important to her.
Sleeping on classes the previous week when we were learning.
Listening to music, watching YouTube videos.
And the first days we missed some trades, but now in a sense it is missing trades is becoming an excuse to
not opening them.
Yeah, not really doing anything. She did have a one solid opportunity. Oliver took a look at it and I took a look at it, and it was great. And Oliver also precisely explained what needs to happen for her to open a trade. There was a resistance, the candle went above it. Oliver told that the candle needs to close above it, and then when it comes down back below, it pierces, it creates a false break, and this is the point where you set out your order. She came to us 15 minutes later when the false break happened and the break already went off. And she was like, do I open the trade here? And we were like, no, we told you that you needed the false break, the thing that pierced the level, and that's your point of entry. She was like, oh, well, all right. And off she went. Didn't ask for any further assistance, and I don't believe that she really traded anymore, because all of us were sitting facing the road, but at some point she just went around us and
behind our back and lay on the ground and started to play with their phone.
Yeah, you know, talking is one thing and actually doing it is just a completely different ball game.
Look at him. Oh my God. It's a freaking Ferrari. Some small surprise for the winners of today, to enjoy some more good stuff in life and a little bit of adrenaline. And by the way, so how did you do?
I made a profit of $114.
So you made a good profit. So we had one more trade, and that's it? So you didn't open any?
I opened one, but it was also a loss.
So we had one loss, one basically a zero.
Two losses.
Two losses and one good profit.
Two profits, one loss.
Two profits, one loss. And Angelina? And you missed two trades. You know what? I was thinking that just one should experience the Ferrari, but come on. I think that all of you did really well. You've been waiting here in this sun right here. So I think it's time for all of you to enjoy it one by one.
And some food as well!
And finally some food as well, yes. So I'm thinking today should be a profit overall. Yeah? Okay, we'll do the calculation. So let's grab some food real quick and then 40.88. All right, let's do it.
Thomas arrived in a freaking Ferrari.
I was 488 Spider. It was just insane.
I fucking love it. This is, in my opinion, this is the most beautiful Ferrari they ever made.
So everybody just had their dinner, lunch, whatever, and we did the calculation of profits and losses. And in total, guys had 8 trades. 5 were a loss and 3 were actually a profit. So today in total we've broken a profit, and everything we've lost yesterday we gained it back and had some profit on top of it. But the profit wasn't as big as I thought, but again, because they have very tight risk and money management, which was actually imposed by me, and tomorrow we're gonna probably adjust it. But so far we've made like $200. But nonetheless, guys, congratulations. Profitable day. First profitable day, and David, yalla yalla, yalla. And David made the biggest profit today. So David is gonna be the first to go in the Ferrari to do the launch control, first with me and then everybody else, and then everybody else is gonna be driving the Ferrari as well anyway. So let's just jump, David, let's go.
We did a launch control with Thomas. Fuck, I almost shit my pants. It was so fast.
Dude, it was just amazing. Afterwards, we actually got to drive the Ferrari
ourselves.
Yeah, and that was just incredible. It just goes. You really press down the accelerator and it just freaking goes.
You know, to be honest, the reasons why we're doing this just for guys to enjoy the G-Class, the Rolls-Royce, the Ferrari as well, and just in general, you know, this is when you are experiencing these things, you start believing that anything is possible, and hopefully that, you know, these emotions is gonna let them go to a different level in terms of their mindset, because mindset really is everything. When you don't believe in yourself, nothing is happening, and these emotions and me seeing their smiles on their face, because I've experienced this all, you know, for many years in my life. I've tried like each single car pretty much, and it's not that exciting for me anymore. And it's the most exciting thing is for me to actually watch other people do it
even if I pay for it. So that's okay. And by the way, down in the description of this video, you can actually join us for the next season. The registration is currently open for Kralow Trading Show Season 2. All the information down in the description.
Are you a long-term stock or crypto investor? Use bestinvesting.tips and know what professional asset managers are investing in at any given moment.
Come with me. We have a very important task. We have to try and drift it, right? Because what kind of a show it is without a Ferrari drifting? But it's an all-wheel drive one, so I don't know if it's gonna work or not. That job well done. Leave a like on this video.
Probably gonna buy myself a Ferrari one day as well.
Thomas said that there will be a surprise for a participant who make the most profit. I actually got to drive a Ferrari from desert back to marina, and this was, I mean, I couldn't believe. I was freaking out. Is this really happening? Am I really going to drive a fucking Ferrari in Dubai all by myself? Yanis was with me. He enjoyed the ride with me.
Yes,
and it was fun. I was smiling for the whole time. I couldn't believe that I'm really driving a fucking Ferrari. I was like, holy shit. I mean, I don't know what to say. It's really dream come true. I don't know. So.
On the drive back, we actually managed to drive through some tunnels. I know, boy.
I mean, that's the thing we do in Slovenia. Well, oh look, there's a tunnel. Shift down and fucking floor it.
Yeah, dude, the Ferrari screams, and yeah, it was just an amazing experience because the sun already set and it was nighttime and all the lights, all the buildings and everything.
It was joyful, right?
Yeah, it really was joyful ride, and what an experience.
Coming up in the next episode. Live trading continues. Frustration is creeping in as the live markets are bringing new challenges. And it seems like not everyone will make it to the end. However, Thomas is always there to motivate the participants. A huge luxury Dubai lifestyle surprise for those who perform the best. If you have enjoyed this episode, please hit the like button. Our team will be happy to see your support. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you are notified when episode 6 of Kralow Trading Show is live. See you next Sunday.